For thousands of years, when you thought of the Giza Plateau, one thing came to mind, right? The pyramids? Well, not anymore. Something new, something massive has risen from the sand. We're talking about the Grand Egyptian Museum, an absolutely incredible new home for a civilization that literally shaped our world.
You'll hear this phrase a lot, a gift from Egypt to the world. And look, it's easy to think, oh, that's just a nice slogan. But it's so much more than that. I mean, think about its location. It's right there, practically in the shadow of the Great Pyramids. This isn't just a building, it's a powerful statement. It's Egypt saying that this incredible heritage, well, it belongs to all of us.
And the scale of this gift, it's just staggering. Let this number sink in. 100,000. That's how many artifacts from ancient Egypt are finally going to be all together under one roof. This makes the gem the largest museum in the entire world for a single civilization. Can you even imagine the stories packed into that place?
So how on earth do you even begin to build something that big? Well, I can tell you one thing, it doesn't happen overnight, not even close. This wasn't just some construction project, it was a dream that took decades to become a reality. It's really a story about vision and just, sticking with it. And this timeline really lays out just how epic that journey was. The whole idea, it started way back in the 90s. Then, in 2002, they laid the foundation stone, making it official. Shovels hit the ground in 2005. And get this, by 2010, their state-of-the-art restoration center was already up and running. The main building itself was finished in 2021, and now the whole world is just holding its breath for that grand opening. We're talking about a 30-year marathon. That's some serious dedication. Okay, but the building itself is it's a work of art. The design is so clever. The architects had this amazing vision. Imagine rays of sunlight shooting out from the very tips of the 3 Giza pyramids. Now, where do you think those lines of light would meet? Yep, that's exactly where the museum is. It's a design that literally ties this brand new building to the ancient wonders it overlooks. So cool.
And when we talk about scale, it's just immense. We're looking at 300,000 square meters. Now, that might just sound like a big number, so let me put it this way. Some of the single halls inside this place are bigger than entire museums you might have visited. The sheer size is absolutely part of the wow factor.
But okay, a building this incredible is just a shell without its treasures, right? And this is where the story gets really, really exciting. For the very first time, all these priceless artifacts that were scattered all over the country, some that the public has never even seen before, they're finally coming home, all to one place.
I mean, think about it. For the first time in history, all these fragmented stories are finally being pieced together. It's like a giant jigsaw puzzle that's been scattered for 100 years, with pieces in different boxes in different museums, only telling you a little bit of the story. Well, this museum is finally gathering all those pieces. We get to see the whole picture of Egypt's past, all at once. And maybe the most mind-blowing example of this? King Tut. All 5,300 treasures from his tomb, the whole shebang, will be displayed together. This means you'll get to see the collection exactly as Howard Carter saw it when he first peeked inside over a century ago. From the massive golden shrines down to the smallest little personal items, it's all there, telling his complete story.
And we're not just talking about dusty old objects here. These things are legends. The famous archaeologist Zahi Hawass puts it perfectly. He says Tut's throne is a masterpiece that no one alive today could possibly replicate. But then there's this, a dagger found in the pharaoh's wrappings. Its blade isn't made from metal from our planet. It's forged from the iron of a meteorite. A dagger, literally, from a fallen star. I mean, come on.
And this amazing reunion goes way beyond just King Tut. You've got his 6 golden war chariots, which used to be split up across 3 different museums. Now they're all together in their full glory. You can check out the priceless treasures of Queen Hatepheres. She was the mother of the guy who built the Great Pyramid, King Khufu. And speaking of Khufu, you'll get to stand right next to his 4,600-year-old solar boats. These things are huge, built to carry him into the afterlife. And your journey? It starts the second you walk through the door. As you step into this massive grand hall, you're greeted by this colossal, 83-ton statue of Ramses the Great. Talk about an awe-inspiring welcome. It's one of history's most powerful pharaohs, just standing there, setting the stage for everything you're about to see. But the vision for this museum goes way beyond just looking at the past. It's not designed to be some quiet, dusty place for old stuff. No way. This is a living, breathing, cultural hub built for the 21st century and for the future.
So what's a day at the Gem actually like? Well, of course you're going to explore the main galleries, that's a given. But you can also bring the kids to a museum just for them. You can learn something new at the Education Center. You could even catch a global event at the Conference Center or cinema. It's really a full-day experience, you know? With gardens, restaurants, shops, it's designed for absolutely everyone.
And look, this isn't just Egypt being proud of what they've built, although they should be. Experts all over the world are calling this the single most important, most ambitious cultural project of the 21st century. Its opening isn't just a local event, it's a global one. It's a moment that's going to completely redefine how we experience ancient history.
So when you boil it all down, you've got this incredible story that started 7,000 years ago. A story about pharaohs and gods and pyramids, and now it's getting a brand new, spectacular chapter. So the only real question left is, when are you going to go and be a part of it?